What is up guys, Quacky Chan here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys one of the main reasons why your Windows 11 PC health checker is saying that it can't run Windows 11. So what you're going to do first is go into here and then hit run. You're going to type in run, going to click it, type in tpm.msc right here and hit OK. And once it loads up, for you guys it's going to say TPM disabled or something like that. I'll put what it actually would look like if you guys haven't enabled it yet. It's going to say TPM disabled, and that's okay. Okay, so sorry about the crappy camera quality. I'm recording on my phone, but first what you're going to do is restart your computer. Once it starts up, you're going to want to spam delete to get into your BIOS. So when you're in your BIOS, you're going to hit advanced and then CPU configuration, and then it's going to say AMD FTPM switch. It's going to be disabled. You're going to want to switch that to AMD CPU FTPM, and then after that you want to go into security and then hit secure boot, and you're just going to want to enable that. It's going to be disabled, and after that you just want to hit exit and then save changes and exit. And once you're booted back into Windows, what you want to do is do the same thing, type in run, and it's going to be tpm.msc. And then it's going to show exactly how it was before. It's going to show this, and it's basically saying that your TPM is ready for use, the status is. And another way to check it to make sure that it's enabled is to go back down here and type in PowerShell. And you're going to right click onto it and hit run as administrator. And then all you want to do is in here is put in get dash or hyphen TPM, and it's going to say true on all of these. If your guys says false, or in the previous thing, if this says disabled still, that means you guys don't have a TPM on your motherboard. You guys are gonna have to upgrade or buy a motherboard that has a TPM, specifically a TPM 2.0 version. If you guys have the PC health checker installed on Windows and you hit check now, in some cases it might say that your PC can't run Windows 11. Microsoft has been saying that there's been bugs and glitches with the PC health checker. You can't even go onto the website. They won't even let you download one, and it says coming soon right now. So I would wait for a new PC health checker to come out before buying a new motherboard possibly, and make sure once the new PC health checker comes out to see if it works, and if it works then you don't have to buy a new motherboard, but if it doesn't work then you're gonna have to buy a new motherboard with a TPM 2.0 version. If you guys have any questions, leave them down in the comments down below. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Please smash that like button and hit the subscribe button with the post notifications on if you guys like video game content, or maybe I'll do some more Windows stuff. Yeah, I hope you guys all have a great day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.